My baby in there. This is my little helper here. Alright, this is my 1995 Volvo 850. Been having problems starting this car after you run it. I figured out it was this relay right here, which is the fuel injection relay. It's right underneath this hose right over here. Crank it so they can see what this thing does. This motherfucking relay right here. See, it's not starting, but watch when I hit it a few times. You have to leave the key in an on position. Crank it now. You see? And the car starts right up. This relay right here is the culprit. It's the relay right next to the fan relay. You go to the left of it, that relay right here is gray. This is the problem this car has been giving me all summer. And it causes the car to do all sorts of weird stuff. You get the arrow flashing. See that? That wasn't flashing earlier. Whenever the car doesn't start, this is what it does. Alright, you can kill it, babe.